Hello everyone, I'm Shivagami Iyer. Today I'm going to teach a different problem on GST. So let's see the question. Illustration 5. Record necessary journal entries in the books of Suman of Bihar, assuming CGST and SGST at 9%. So the person is in Bihar, Suman is in Bihar. Now let's see the points. Bought goods rupees 3,50,000 from Jharkhand. So Jharkhand is not in the state of Bihar. Jharkhand and Bihar are two different states. So Jharkhand is outside Bihar. So IGST is applicable. So IGST at 18%. The total of CGST and SGST equals IGST. So 18% completely should be given on 3,50,000. Next, sold goods for rupees 2 lakhs, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, again, Uttar Pradesh is not in Bihar, it is outside Bihar. So IGST is applicable, IGST at 18%. Sold goods rupees 4 lakhs locally on credit. Locally means it is sold in Bihar, it is sold in the same state, so it is within Bihar. If it is within Bihar, same state, CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. Next, paid insurance premium rupees 30,000, bought furniture for office rupees 50,000, means it is, nothing is mentioned, means it is paid locally, bought locally. So CGST and SGST at 9% is applicable. Now let's see the solution. First, let's find out the percentage of IGST. So IGST equals 9% plus 9% means CGST 9% plus SGST 9%. So the IGST total will be CGST percentage plus SGST percentage. Now let's record the journal entries one by one. So first is purchases. Bought goods from Jharkhand rupees 3,50,000. So purchases account debited, input IGST account debited to bank account. So Jharkhand is a different state. It is not in the state of Bihar. So IGST complete 18% is applicable for IGST. So purchases account 3,50,000 in the debit side, input IGST account. So since there are two different states, so 3,50,000 into, give the complete percentage, that is into complete 18%. So 63,000, add these both, 3,50,000 plus 63,000, that will give the total to bank account 4,13,000. Narration being goods brought from Jharkhand. Now let's see the next journal entry. Next is sold goods for rupees 2 lakhs to Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand are two different states. Again IGST is applicable. So bank account debited, wait for the amount, 2 sales. The goods was sold for 2 lakhs. So 2 sales account under the credit column 2 lakhs. To output IGST on 2 lakhs, give the complete 18%. Since IGST is applicable, so 36,000, add 2 lakh plus 36,000, 2,36,000, write it in your bank account column. Narration being goods sold outside the state. Next is sold goods for rupees 4 lakhs locally on credit. Locally means it is sold in the same state. So debtors account debit, wait for the amount, to sales account. So it was sold for 4 lakhs. So it was sold for 4 lakhs. Since it is in the same state, CGST and SGST is applicable. So on 4 lakh, 9% CGST and 9% SGST. So 4 lakh into 9%, 36,000. Again 4 lakh into 9%, 36,000. So take the total into your debtors account. So that is 4,72,000. Narration being goods sold locally in the same state. So these are the 3 transactions. Now let's go for the next transactions. Insurance premium paid. So insurance premium total amount is 30,000. So input CGST 9%. Input, so CGST 9%, SGST 9%, 30,000 plus 2,700 plus 2,700, 35, 400. So being narration, being insurance premium paid. Next, furniture. So 50,000, CGST 9%, SGST 9%, 50,000 plus 4,500 plus 4,500, 59,000. Next, 6th transaction. This is for setting off CGST output. So output CGST account debited, wait for the amount, to input CGST account. So in this input CGST, to find out that, add input CGST from your previous transactions, that is 2,700 plus 4,500, 7,200. Then input to input IGST account. So to arrive at input IGST amount, from your input IGST, deduct output IGST, that is 63,000 minus 36,000, 27,000. So take the total of both and record it in your output CGST. So 7,200 plus 27,000, 34,200 in your output CGST account. So narration being set off against CGST output. So let me zoom the transactions. Next, let's go for next transactions. Output SGST account to input SG account. So take your, you have to add your input SGST amounts, that is 2,700 plus 4,500 from your previous transaction. So 7,200. Narration being set off against SGST output. Next one, output IGST account debit to input IGST account. So output IGST account, take the total from the 6th transaction, that is 34,200, that is 27,000 plus 7,200, that will lead you to 34,200 to input IGST, that is in your first, for input IGST, take the amount of output IGST, that is 36,000, which is there in the previous transaction, being set off against SGST output made. Next, the last transaction, output CGST account, output CGST account, output SGST account to electronic cash ledger account. So output CGST account, how you will arrive at 1,800 is, deduct output CGST minus output CGST. So that is 36,000 minus 34,200 from your previous transactions. Then output SGST, output minus output SGST minus output SGST, that is 28,800. To electronic cash ledger, add 1,800 plus 28,800, lead to a total of 3,600. So to electronic cash ledger, 3,600 being final payment made. So let me zoom these transactions. So hope so you all have understood. Thank you.